This will be a quick one for you, kind of an oddball, no pun intended. This is a Headliners figure from 1996 made by Corinthian. You can see there's some pretty well-known players. Barry Larkin from the Reds, my team right there. This we actually have Wade Boggs, which is kind of funny because I opened a Wade Boggs starting lineup figure recently. So it's kind of like it's not even a bobblehead. It's like a big head little figure guy. And this packaging here is just crushed. I got this for, I don't know, a couple dollars, maybe less than that, like $1.80 or something. But I don't know, I thought it was weird and something different. You know, sporting thing that's not a starting lineup. So I'm going to free Mr. Boggs from his prison. He's from the Yankees. A team that I dislike. Probably dislike their fans more than the actual team themselves. So their fans are what's annoying. So it's interesting, this packaging, it's generic. You see the sticker for the UPC and the sticker for the team and the player's name is on there. So it's actually a sticker, so it's just generic to save some money. That was smart by Corinthians, Corinthian, sorry. They have kind of their name and logo there. We got this catalog. I guess it's just the same guys who are on the back of the packaging. Let's see. Maybe they more, I don't know. Chipper Jones, Mo Vaughn, Roberto Alomar, Ryan Sandberg, Barry Larkin, Andres Galarraga, Hideo Nomo, Mike Piazza. Here it says there's like a whole bunch. You got Frank Thomas, Cal Ripken Jr., Jose Canseco, Cecil Fielder, Gary Sheffield, Paul O'Neill, who used to play for the Reds in 1990 wire-to-wire World Series champion Reds. Well, they got the, look at that, that's kind of interesting. So I was wondering that they have NY Yankees and then New York Yankees. That's kind of funny. Who else? Tony Gwynn, Barry Bonds, King Griffey Jr., who gone to play for the Reds. His father was part of the Big Red Machine. Got Randy Johnson there. But the man of the hour or the couple minutes here is Wade Boggs. So yeah, this is kind of weird. It's like a non-bobble bobblehead. It's just like a little figure, and it looks like he's holding a big cigar. So not really a great sculpt there. I guess it looks like Wade Boggs. He's got this hat or helmet here. I guess, yeah, it's a hat. You can see the kind of folds in it. Put up here at the windowsill. So this is kind of a lame thing. I mean, I guess if you were a big Wade Boggs fan, you'd get it. I would probably, I wasn't super into baseball at 14, but I could see having like a Barry Larkin one. I don't know. This is definitely going up on eBay with the Wade Boggs starting lineup figure from Kenner, which is was based in Cincinnati, Ohio. Yeah, I don't have a whole lot of stuff like this other than Go Reds. They're doing all right this year, but who knows. So thanks for watching.